Hey guys, so I wanted to make a response video to a comment that I got on my latest video, which is this one from MrRenoo, who says, I believe the folder thingy is doable in the 2019 edition. Needless to say, there is some truth to that. So here I am in 2019 version, and I have myself a sample file, and you'll see here that if I box a couple of these and add it to a folder, when I initially was trying it, I kind of grabbed a random feature and tried to dump it in there, and it just gave me the no symbol. Turns out that I still have to respect the order of the features, and some features may not be allowed still. But turns out if I get this boss extrude and just dump it in there, it goes just fine. Same thing for when I have the folder empty. I can put it in a particular location. But what I cannot do is grab multiple of these and dump it in there. You'll get this message here that says cannot drag/drop multiple objects in the feature manager tree. Only the last selected object is dropped. So that is the limitation that I was specifically talking about, and that is the limitation that was lifted in the 2020 version. Hopefully that clears things up a little bit, and as always, keep putting more stuff in the comments so I can take a look at them. Thanks for watching.